welcome. First of all, I'm Jonathan. I am the Vice President of Digital Product here at RD Technologies. So today I'm very happy to share more about our latest product, RD Wallet, with you. So we are the first business-focused digital wallet in Hong Kong. So before I dive deep into our wallet, I want to quickly share about our company, RD Technologies. Our company is founded by Dr. Norman Chen. It's a founding chairman of RD Technologies. As a lot of you from Hong Kong may know, he's also the former chief executive of the HKMA, Hong Kong Monetary Authority. Under his guidance, RD Technologies was born out of a mission to make things easier and cheaper for businesses to make cross-border payment needs. So if you can see from the timeline here, in 2020, our company is founded. Within a year, we've launched our first product, RD EasyLink, which is a corporate digital ID solution. Throughout the year of 2022, we've gained a lot of traction in the market. So we've partnered with a lot of commercial banks, and by the end of 2022, RD Wallet has received the SVF license from the HKMA. As of today, RD Wallet is actually at a soft launch period, so we are already serving customers, early customers that's participating in our soft launch. Now I want to quickly also give an overview of the products that we're offering at RD. So primarily RD, we have two products. First one being RD EasyLink, which is a bank standard KYC utility tool. Now also we have RD Wallet, which is the topic of the day, SVF licensed B2B e-wallet. So both of these products are actually embedded in the same mobile app that we published. It's a RD mobile app. Just to very quickly go over RD EasyLink. So we are a KYC utility tool. What we help corporates to do is we help corporates build up their corporate digital ID, and our clients, our corporate customers, can use this verified digital ID based on HKMA's highest standard and send it to financial institutions and also non-financial institutions that we partner with. So all the onboarding process is remote. Through RD EasyLink, they can perform and upload their profiles and ongoing updates very easily. RD EasyLink also serves as a digital hub to connect with financial institutions and also non-financial institutions, so our corporate clients can onboard very easily and quickly. And lastly, obtaining and managing an RD EasyLink is totally free. Now I want to quickly move on to RD Wallet. So we are a B2B e-wallet. We have we are SVF licensed. It's a much cheaper and convenient alternative to corporate bank account. RD Wallet, we're using RD EasyLink to support remote onboarding. And I will talk more about some of these capabilities and functions in a minute in the next slide. So now let's dive into our RD Wallet. RD Wallet is a full-function B2B multi-currency mobile wallet that's a much more convenient alternative to corporate bank accounts. Can I just have a quick show of hands to see how many of you have actually opened a corporate bank account? Anyone? Yes. Then thank you. So actually, I have went through the whole process myself. To be honest, it's quite a troublesome process. So it took me in total of 1 month, 2 physical visits to the bank branch, and also a lot of paper signing to open a bank account. It's not the most easy process, I would say. So for our mobile wallet, I guess the first important point is that the whole onboarding is digital. So from user registration to the KYC process, everything is digital. What's more is onboarding to our wallet can be as fast as 1 hour. Second key function, remittance, or in essence, just sending and receiving money. So we support local and overseas payment methods with very competitive pricing. Locally, FBS is supported in Hong Kong, and we also support TT, telegraphic transfer. So some of you may be very familiar with, for example, SWIFT. Third, we also have our foreign exchange function. So we currently support 5 currencies, HKD, CNY, USD, JPY, and also Euro. And we will be supporting more currencies going forward as well. Our foreign exchange is at a very competitive rate, and also it's 24/7, meaning you can do foreign exchange through our mobile app on a Saturday or in the middle of the night. Our wallet also comes with a built-in FX hedging tool. We call it RDU, round dollar unit. So it's an accounting unit. In essence, it's a basket of 3 different currencies. So we have RMB, JPY, and HKD. Our corporates can transfer funds into RDU, and because RDU is a basket of currencies, it will be more stable against FX volatility compared to, for example, if you just hold one particular currency and may be subject to fluctuation in prices and rates. Lastly, last but not least, we have our wallet-to-wallet transfer. So for this, essentially, it's a peer-to-peer transfer method. It's real-time, and it's completely free. Another thing I want to highlight about our wallet is it is SVF licensed, as you may have heard me saying a few times already. We have been granted the license by the HKMA late last year. We are the first SVF wallet that is business focused in Hong Kong. Here's a very quick comparison between SVF license and MSO license. So we've witnessed some players and some remittance operators out there are actually operating under the MSO license. We want to do a very quick comparison here to show you 2 things. One, we are regulated by a much more robust regime, and secondly, we can offer more services to you. As an SVF licensee, we are regulated by the HKMA versus MSO is actually regulated by the Hong Kong Customs and Excise Department. We can offer local transfer, cross-border transfer, and also store value, whereas for MSO, it is primarily used for transactions only. For us, customer funds are extremely important, and it's under regulatory custody because of a license. We also have a paid-up capital of no less than 25 million Hong Kong dollars. And lastly, as required by laws and regulations, we need to be assessed by Big Four auditors. All of these arrangements are actually not applicable to MSO licensee. So now you have a brief idea of what MSO and what SVF is, and at the same time you know more about our wallets and also the features that we offer. Now, a question in your mind may be, why do we want to apply for Audi Wallet? Here are 5 questions. Here are 5 reasons why. So the first one is a licensed SVF. As I've mentioned to our customers, it means number 1, you can give us trust because of the highly regulated environment that we are in. And secondly, we can provide more service to you because we are an SVF licensee. Second reason why you should open a mobile Audi wallet with us is because it's entirely free, 100% remote, compared to opening a corporate bank account. In my case, it took 1 month, for example. Open an account is easy and is as fast as 1 hour. In my case, opening an account can take a long time in corporate situations. Receive money instantly through wallet-to-wallet transfers. And lastly, it is free to transfer money. So FPS is completely free on our platform. And for telegraphic transfer, it's free during our promotion period at our soft launch. So here I want to share 2 success stories that our early adopters have. They've been using our product, and here are just 2 case studies that I want to highlight. So this first case is actually an import-export trader. So this particular buyer is frequently trading with a lot of overseas partners in a global kind of setting. So one of the challenges that they face when they are is the transfer, when they use Swift transfer, is first of all slow processing speed, because it can easily take up to, for example, 5 days for a Swift transfer to go through. Lack of transparency during those few days. A lot of companies do not know where does the fund sit, and lastly, high fees for every Swift transaction. So after our buyer actually know about Audi Wallet, he also invited some of the trading partners to get onboarded to Audi Wallet, and since then they've been using wallet-to-wallet transfer. Some of the key benefits they immediately see is instant settlement. Settlement to the wallet is instant, real-time. They receive their funds immediately. Free transfer. Wallet-to-wallet transfer is completely free in our platform. And lastly, very competitive FX rates. So in the case when they need to trade in foreign currencies, they can use our platforms to convert to another currency at a very competitive rate, better than the market. This is a second success story or case study. So in this case, it's a local buyer, a local company. This particular case, this company has a lot of needs to transfer funds and pay local service providers. Traditionally, they will be using local fund transfers through banks, but there are some fees and charges, sometimes hidden fees cost. After learning about Audi Wallet, they've been using faster payment system, and some of the key benefits that they have observed is free. Using our platform, FPS is completely free, and instant settlement. So FPS currently supports exchange in